Right. Oh no! I wonder where Dee present went. Which conveyor belt is the present on? Circulo or triangulo? Triangulo! See! Look! More conveyor belts! Snapping on! Which conveyor belt is the present on? Circulo or triangulo? I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Triangulo! See!
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Davy's present is going to fall in the lucky mud! Quick! We need your help to catch the present! Put your hands out in front of you and... Catch!
Yeah.
Got Davy's present back! Thanks for helping! Phew! That was close! Come on!
Here, miss. Your nose.
We made it past the
Good job.
We have to figure out where to go next. Say map.
And they say map.
Map.
We're doing great. Here's the barn. Check. Where do we go next?
Party.
Party?
Yes.
You like party?
Right.
Oh,
So
you're a party
Dora,
girl.
Next we need to go to the rainforest.
Where do we go next? The rainforest. Right. So
How you doing?
find the rainforest. So Miss Map, where is the rainforest?
That's your map?
Yes. My map.
Where are you going?
Yeah, there it is. See?
Are you going to a party?
Yeah. Come on. Let's go to these.
Which party?
We can give you
Oh, you're killing mommy. Ouch.